from level 3, sikapin mo mag-level 4
Yun
ka.
na nga, sir, ginagawa namin. Kaso, ang pinaka-problema namin, we want to invest and we know that it's the right thing to do. But we are scared, no? Marami, I'm sure marami nanonood, takot din mag-invest. Saan ba dapat? Saan ba? Kami, ang napili namin is real estate.
Yeah, mamaya pag-usapan natin yan. Kaya, shout out sa mga tao na katulad nila Matet at sa kanyang asawa. Guys, kung if you need help and coaching with regards to that, okay, I'm willing to teach you and coach you. Okay, just type coach me sa comment section para malaman po namin. And
Comment
FYI, may free ako at saka meron din akong tinatawag na paid. Oo. Yung free kasi, syempre, para sa lahat yan. Yung paid, yung one-on-one coaching yan.
Parang customized.
Customized yun, oo. So, guys, so if you want to go to the free, meron din. If you want to do the one-on-one, meron tayo special session. So, let's go back. Right now, ito lang yung parang advice ko before we go to the last part. I highly recommend na before you invest, save mo na ng 6 months to 1 year. Kung ang monthly expense mo ay 100K, kailangan may 600K ka o 1.2
Para lang
million.
may cushion.
Watch the full interview at Chinky Tan's YouTube channel. Subscribe now.